ओम श्रीं गं सौभाग्य गणपते वरवरदा सर्वजनम में वशमान्य नमः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Good morning, respected teachers and friends. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to narrate a short story. Once, a man was working on an important office presentation when his daughter came bustling into the room and asked him to play with her. The father was really busy, but he didn't wish to be rude to his daughter. So he courteously tore a page having the world map from a magazine, tore it into tiny bits of paper again, and asked her to solve it like jigsaw puzzles. He was pretty sure it would keep her busy for a couple of hours, but within 10 minutes, the daughter returned with the solved world map, which completely stunned the father. He couldn't believe his eyes. Astonished, he asked his daughter how did she manage to do that miracle. And do you know what the daughter replied? She said, "Oh father, there was a picture of a famous actress on the other side of the page. I just solved her picture, and consequently the world map got solved itself." And she went out to play, and her father was just speechless. The moral of this story is life-changing. We face puzzling and frightening problems every day, but if we carefully look into the problem, there always lies a perfect shortcut to it. And I can undoubtedly say that every teacher sitting here do not only teach us how to tackle the problem, but also give us the perfect insight to the shortcut. Dear teachers, in a year of 365 days, you thoroughly dedicate 364 days to us, and we students choose this one official day to express our gratitude to you. There is no doubt that every day should be Teachers' Day, but today is special. And no matter, even if we are facing a pandemic, we will surely make this day special for you. A school is not accomplished just with big buildings, facilities, luxurious atmosphere, and bewitching infrastructure. But the core ingredient of a successful institution is a dynamic and experienced teacher. Dear teacher, you are the bridge that connects the students and success. Teachers, you are the backbone of every student that helps every student become better human beings, making this world a better place to live in. A teacher is called the captain of the ship, as it is because of them we students reach our destination and fulfill our dreams. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, a teacher can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. You use a chalk so artistically to design our destiny, and a duster so tactfully to wipe away our shortcomings. While rubbing away with a duster, you tarnish yourself with the chalk particles, but polish the students from coal to diamonds. You have been our guiding and driving force all through the lockdown. Thank you so much for your tireless and invaluable efforts. You have given us all your time and energy, and all you ask in return is our success. We wholeheartedly promise that we will never let you down. Dear teachers, you are talented, energetic, able, caring, hardworking, enthusiastic, and remarkable. Thank you so much for everything.
सब्सक्राइब करें बाकीबाल स्टूडियोज चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिए और लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना तो बिल्कुल ही मत भूलिए। थैंक यू एवरीवन।